Good day again, and a follow-up to the video before this to Sir Micha. Okay, before doing anything on your brand new bike on the ice line, okay, I want you to take note of this very important step. Okay, before lubing the parts that you've been asking me about, the hinge pin on the stem, the hinge on the frame, and I think the headset. Okay. Before doing anything or any lubricating, I want you to do is to take note of the resistance of this part of this action. Take note. I want you to remember how it feels, how the resistance. Is it resisting that movement, and this one, is it resisting the unfolding part? No, I want you to take note of that feel and that resistance before applying the lube, because when you apply the lube here and here, and that feel or that action noticeably changed, then that's an indication that the lube that we placed here and here worked its way to this part inside the pin. So that's an indication that the lube that we applied have reached this part. So it worked its way inside the pin. So that's an indication. So before doing anything else, you take note of that. And then another thing I've noticed when I got this bike brand new is that the headset is binding. It's a bit too tight for my preference, but it's my preference. I don't know about yours, but to me that headset is too tight. So before I use this, I loosened it up a bit, and then applied some grease at the same time. So that's an opportunity. So I re-greased it, so it can never have too much grease, that part, because that is exposed to the elements, splashes when you use the bike. So anyway, take note of that resistance, of that stickiness here and here before you do anything. So yun lang yun. So that's it. Just take note. And when it changes the feel, when the feel changes after the lubrication, then that's an indication that the lube that we applied have reached a relatively somber there. But it's not an assurance that it reached all the way in. So it's best practice to regularly lube this part, the maintenance and inspection, so that we can be assured that this is not running dry. So that's it. Thank you for watching. That's the only thing. Just adding, so that's an important thing to note before doing anything else. Okay, thank you for watching.